This year we all have been experiencing extreme heat conditions and the heat wave which has all affected all of us in the city of Mumbai, Thane and most parts of Maharashtra. This heat wave has been unprecedented and it is the prediction of the Met Department that few more days down the line we are going to be affected with much of these heat waves. This heat wave has made the normal population, animals, everybody very uncomfortable. But the pregnant population or the women who are pregnant are getting affected with this heat wave to a larger extent. Hi, I am Dr. Sujata Rathore, gynecologist and obstetrician from Cure Hospital. Today I am going to share a few points how to take care of yourself in pregnancy during this season. Now, this heat wave affects the pregnant women in various ways. Let's see why the pregnant women are more prone to the heat and its problems. Let's take it forward trimester wise. In the first trimester, because of the morning sickness, because of the nausea, vomiting, already the pregnant woman is a little disturbed. She is feeling weak. She is feeling dehydrated, and to top it up, when there is so much of heat around, because of the nausea and vomiting, she is not consuming adequate water, and that leads to more of dehydration and the heat related symptoms. Coming to the second and the third trimester, because the body size is more, because the body mass is more, the sweating is not so much. Sweating, as we all know, tends to keep the body cool. If the sweating is not much, the body does not become cool, and the lady who is pregnant, be it the second trimester or the third trimester, she experiences more of these heat wave symptoms. In the third trimester also, because of the baby, the core temperature of the patient is more, and that is the reason why she herself experiences more of this heat. Even the blood flow increases a lot during pregnancy, and that also contributes to the heat related symptoms. Now, what exactly are we supposed to look out for in this season, especially the pregnant women? If the patient starts feeling extremely thirsty, if she starts feeling dehydrated, if she starts feeling dizzy, if she starts feeling weakness, especially if she starts feeling cramps in the arms, cramps in the legs, stomach cramps, stomach upset. These are all signs of getting affected by this heat, intense heat especially, which is happening now. Now I'm going to share with you few tips as to how to take care of yourself during this season. The mantra should be hydrate, hydrate and hydrate. When I say hydrate, means keep having good amount of water and fluids. At least 2.5 to 3 liters of water should be consumed on a daily basis. Along with water, you can also have fluids like coconut water, which is rich in electrolytes, watermelon juice, muskmelon. All this watermelon or muskmelon, you can make it into ice cubes and you can keep sipping it. You can also have chas, buttermilk, you can have various juices. All this will hydrate the pregnant women a lot. The other tips are, try not to venture out or go out when it is extremely hot, say from around 11:30, 12 to around 3:30, 4. Avoid going out. And if you still have to go out, carry an umbrella with you or wear a wide brim hat. Apply good amount of sunscreen, because in pregnancy the skin is also affected by this intense sun. Carry a water bottle with you. Keep sipping water. If possible, you can have cool drinks, but avoid aerated drinks. Better is to have coconut water because it is rich in electrolytes. And if you are at home, you see to it that you are in a well ventilated room which has a fan which is going on, so that the room is well ventilated. Do not keep the AC on a very high mode, because that itself makes you kind of, it makes your skin dry and you don't realize, and you don't even drink much water when you are in the AC. Keep towels in your fridge, and those towels, cool towels, you can place it on your face, or you can place it on your wrist or abdomen, and you can feel very cool with all these methods. Try to take care of yourself. If you are in the office, try to reach the office before the heat sets in. That is, try to reach the office by 9:30, 10, and leave after the sun goes down, so that you avoid this temperature during the day. And try to keep yourself safe. And once again, in this heat wave and the ones which are going to come ahead, see to it that you hydrate yourself well. Have small meals. Do not have very full meals. Do not have excessive spicy food. Excessive salty food should be avoided. In fact, to the certain extent, have non-vegetarian food, but have it in a very small quantity. Do not eat outside food, because remember, the food which is, you go and eat outside, it may not be cooked well, or if it has been made a little longer, it tends to get spoiled. If you eat this kind of food, you are going to land up with an upset stomach. So please take good care of yourself in this summer season, and I hope these small tips will help you tide over this hot season. Thank you so much.